أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? Hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. I'm Rabia Naim, your maths teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Today we'll start our second lecture. But before starting the lecture, as I said before, keep your pencil, eraser, your math countdown book and any notebook with you so you can write the important points on it. In my previous lecture, I have discussed the first topic of chapter 1, numbers up to 1 billion, in which you have learned to place spaces according to the International Place Value Chart, to read and write the numbers in figures and in words, and to identify the place value of any digit from the given number. At the end of my first lecture, I had assigned you a task. A practice sheet had been given to you. Hopefully, you have solved it by yourself. Now look at this sheet once. You can check your answers. The question is fill in the blanks, and the first statement is, in the international system, 100 million is a dash digit number. 100 million is a 9-digit number. And in the second statement, 100 million is the dash 9-digit number. Smallest. 100 million is the smallest 9-digit number. And in the third statement, what is the biggest 9-digit number? The biggest 9-digit number is 999,999,999. If we add 1 to the biggest 9-digit number, we get 1 billion. TM stands for, TM is the short form of 10 million. And in the last, the place value of 2 in the given number is 2 million. Now look at your first term syllabus. Today we will do page number 3 and some questions from page number 4. Now students, open your countdown book, page number 3, exercise 1A, and do exercise with me. The first question is fill in the blanks, and the first statement is, in the international system, 1 million is a dash digit number. I'll write 1 million in numbers. You will be looking clearly that 7 digits take place value up to 1 million. So our correct answer is, in the international system, 1 million is a 7-digit number. The second statement is, what is the place value of the ring digit in the given number? As I told you before, that you have to draw a place value chart to find the correct place value of any digit. But in objective questions, you have to solve the statement quickly. Therefore, the quickest way is, write place value above each digit. Write U above 7, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. You see that the ring digit 5 occupies a place in the million column. Therefore, its place value is 5 million. There is another way to find the place value of the ring digit. Write the digit as it is and replace all other digits on its right with zeros. So the place value of the ring digit is 5 million. In the next statement, we have to complete the sequence. For this, we will write the given numbers in the place value chart. By writing first two numbers and by comparing each digit, we will easily find out where the change take place. So here, you will see that all the columns have same digits, except 100 column. So here all the digits remain same, except the digit which comes on 100 column. As 1 changes to 2, this implies in next it will become 3. So our missing number is 35,30,386. In the fourth statement, we have to find the number which is 50,000 more than given number. More than means we have to add. So here we add 50,000 to the given number. You know that when 0 is added to a number, the result remains the same. Only we have to add 3 and 5, which is 8, and we will write the rest of the digits as it is. When we add 50,000 to the given number, we will get 261,885,500. In the last statement, again we have to find out the place value of 9. We will write the place value above each digit to find out where the digit 9 take place. Here we will clearly see that 9 occupies a place in the 100 million column. So the place value of 9 is 900 million. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. The first statement is, as per International Place Value Chart, 619,845,7086 is written as 6,198,457,086. We will write the number according to the International Place Value System. As last 3 digits 680 goes to unit column, 754 goes to thousand column, and 891 goes to million column, and the last digit 6 goes to billion column. So our statement is correct. The second statement is, the number 200 less than 42,698,210 is 42,698,200. Less than mean we have to subtract. If we subtract 200 from the given number, we will get 42,698,010 instead of 42,698,200. So the statement is false. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. By writing the smallest 9-digit number in the place value chart, we will clearly find out that the required number take place value up to 100 million. The statement is false and the correct answer is, the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. The fourth statement is, the value of the ring digit in the given number is 100,000. Write the place value above each digit. You will see that the ring digit 1 take place value up to 100,000. The statement is true. The next statement is, in the international system, the given number is written as 459,826,000. If we write the number in the place value chart, you will see that each group contains only 3 digits and there is no space for the 4th digit. In the statement, 8 is written in the wrong place. It should be in the million group. Therefore, the statement is false. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. And the statement is 3,735,205 in figures. I repeat the question and check the answer as well. 3,735,000. You will see that the first option is the correct. In International Place Value Chart, you know that TM stands for 10 million. 200 million is a 7-digit number, 8-digit number, 9-digit number or the 5-digit number. Write 200 in the place value chart and count the digits. The answer is 9-digit number. In the next statement, which of the given number matches the expanded form? Write the numbers in the vertical form and add them. You will find out your answer. 6,56,725. The last statement is 9786120016 written in the international system. By placing the given number in the place value chart, you will see that billion group contain only 1 digit 9. So the other options are false and the correct option is third option. Hope you all have listened the lecture carefully. There is an home assignment for you. You have to solve the question number 4, 5, 6 of page number 4 from your countdown book. In the next lecture, we will do the remaining questions of exercise 1A. Take care of yourself now until the next video. Allah Hafiz.